In this tutorial, I will show you how to access the resource Noodletools. Noodletools is an excellent research organizer, and it also helps you generate citations so that you can create an awesome works cited or annotated bibliography. So here we are at the Quabbin Media Center homepage, and if you scroll down just a tad, you will see the Noodletools icon on the left. You can click on that icon and it will bring you straight to Noodletools. Additionally, when we create a LibGuide or research guide for your class, we always will include a Noodletools link so that you can access that quite easily. Finally, if you don't plan on going through a LibGuide or the library website, you can easily search noodletools.com, click on login, and it will bring you to that same page. Because all middle and high school students in Quabbin have accounts already with Noodletools, all you have to do is click on the Google icon. And you're going to click on your school account and type in your password so that you can log into Noodletools. Before we do that though, I do want to mention that you are going to have a couple of questions that you have to answer the first time you log in. You're going to have to answer what grade you're in or perhaps your age, and you can kind of breeze through those questions. So this is the main page once you're logged into Noodletools. Where you see all of my projects down here, you will have a blank screen if you've never used Noodletools before. If that's what you see, a blank white screen with that green button that says New Project, you're in the right place. You can move on to the next video, step number 2, that will show you how to create a new project in Noodletools.